Hey guys, welcome to Dazzling Handmade. Today I am doing an AliExpress craft supply haul video, and I will be putting links down below for the ones I can find. A lot of the products I ordered are now out of stock or just no longer available, like the listing does not exist at all. But I will try to put whatever I can still find in my orders. Okay, the first one is we have 2 stickers. Small order. No worries. Vintage ladies. All the stickers will be looked through in the sticker opening videos. I'll look through them one by one to see the quality and the outcome. She's got a tongue piercing. But right now I just need to open these and get with my organizing. There's an open giveaway going on right now where I did mention that I am moving states and I have so many duplicates that I need to get rid of fast. So I made an Etsy store where I'm selling some of my duplicates. That gives you another chance to get your hands on my duplicates in case you have not won any of the giveaways yet. Please excuse the teapot in the back. I'm making hot chocolate. Okay, we got stencils first. Oh. Utensils, tea, eat me, drink me. Eat me, drink me. Again. Very cute. Very similar. Here we have Alice with the Queen's crown. We are all mad here. And the door. And then another Alice. Oh, this one's supposed to be for like tea time, but it says happy birthday. And this is Alice on a clock, so this is perfect for a journal page. I think I already started. I have a journal that's just for Alice themed stuff. Okay, so first one is kind of a random everything. Did I buy this? I don't know why I would buy this. It's so random. It's not even English, so I can't. Well, I can use the sentiments, but I like my viewers to understand what I put on my cards. But some cute stuff here, like, I wish this was bigger. I think this is a random one. Sometimes what they do is you buy a stamp and for some reason they don't have it in stock anymore. So instead of refunding, they send something else instead, something similar. I like not a lot of room to color, and the other one is I think a duplicate, because this, I feel like I've seen this. I don't know, but it looks cute. I like the outlines. Thin, a room to color, a little bit small, but for a card that would be good. Here we have some Steampunk Crows. I love it. Look at that little glasses. The little thing. And the other one is wearing a hat. And this is a bunny with the why is this hand is just sticking out? I think you can stamp the big one and then stamp the hand separately and then just switch out the hand. It's funny. I like it. And I love the coffee beans. It's a really good size. And I can use it with other things, not just this caffeine addict bunny. Looks a little cray-cray. Very beautiful one. I love it. Gorgeous. Look at that. This is so beautiful. This one. That would be a really pretty tattoo. Again, not English, but very thin lines and room to color. What do you guys think? The last one for this package is a Christmas one. That's interesting. I've never seen that before. So it's just the 24th. It's kind of like a countdown. A little bit messy. I feel like if the other Christmas stuff were not there, then I would just think it's a triangle of numbers. Okay. No, not my favorite. I feel like if the other Christmas stuff were not there, then I would just think it's a triangle of numbers. Okay. No, not my favorite. Hot chocolate. Made. Look how cute this cup is. Got it from Home Goods. Like Home Goods is my second home. Literally. Okay, next package is all stamps. I think all stamps. So I've realized how I can find the things I buy and give you guys a link. And that is that's by finding at least one item, because I ordered like this whole thing came from one seller, so I just need to find one of the things in this package, and then the rest should be right next to it, so I don't have to look for every single one. And also I've put links for my previous hauls, and for some I only put one link. So I didn't put in my previous haul, I put links, but I didn't put a link for everything because some of the stamps or dies come from the same listing. So let's say if I open this one right here on AliExpress, and there will be 6 other variety that I can buy. Oh, I got an invoice. This is the first time I've bought over 5,000 products in the last 2 years, and this is the first time I'm receiving a invoice like this. Oh, no name, just invoice. Nice. Okay, let's get started. There's a lot in here. I'm gonna give you a little peek of what's happening on the side here. I have resin curing. So excited for this. Alright, for real now. First is looks like what is this? Postcard. A little haunted house. Wait, is it this? Is it? Let me Google. Oh my gosh. Let me Google. Really quick. A big butterfly one. Alright, who recognizes this house? It is not the same, but it looks very, very, very similar to the Bates Motel house. Ooh, spooky. I love it. I like Hitchcock movies. Alright, so very nice. All 4. Not, basically no room to color. These are the kind of stamps that you would do with just one color. Same. I think I have her in a smaller one. I love this one. So pretty. I hope the outcome comes out good too. Again, not much room to color. Like I can color the frame and the skirt with pencil, but it's not the type to put on a cute birthday card. Vintage stuff. So much black happening with this man and the bicycle. I call this crowding. Black crowding. So hopefully we'll see a little bit more details when I stamp it. I really need to step up my journaling game. Nice. I have a lot of stickers of this. Looks good. Here's a big one. No, I mean they're the same size. It's just a lot of black again. I like it. I love the bottles, and even like that recipe looks so good. It's perfect to add it to the side on your journal. So this package is mostly vintage stuff. Steampunky, vintage. Clothes. Pretty small, the corsets. Very tiny. Yeah, I'm afraid if I stem that hat, that's a hat, then, you know, you can't tell what it is. I love this one. I love how the flowers look on the side. It looks a little blurry-ish, but it also looks like there's shading to it. So I'm really excited to see the outcome. More vintage elements stuff. That's where it's going. Vintage elements. Cute. Very cute. I love it. Love this one. There's a lot of black going on, but it's not overcrowded. If that makes sense. I think I'm going to close the window and then we'll see better.